What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and you know it's Friday, man. So shout out to all my Friday lovers, man. I know Friday is a day that we all look forward to, gang. It's like Friday's here, whether you're off on Saturday or Sunday or whatever the case may be. In this house, man, we working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, man. We're working on all the days of the week. Whatever is required to get it done, man, that's what we do over here. But I do consider Friday to be a day, like I said before, that me and my wife try to dedicate to, you know, getting to know each other a little bit better on Fridays, whether that's just hanging out or just being intentional about spending some time together on Fridays. Because we, you know, with her being an entrepreneur and running a business and, you know, I'm working and just things just going in different directions. It just can be hard sometimes, but in marriage, you gotta find time for each other. But today I got another video for you, man. We're bringing you the review of the AJ14 Flint Grey. Let's get into it. It was a few days ago when the AJ14 Flint Grey dropped. And I want to say I was a day late going to pick them up because I had to really call around to some of my connections. And shout out to the people that I got, you know, at various different stores that respond to my messages. Because you know that most shoe stores, when you call them, man, my beef is they don't like to tell you what shoe sizes they have. I don't know what that does for them, if it's like a policy where they can't tell people, but you got to create relationships with people. And I'm very thankful for the relationships I have with those at House of Hoops and Hibbett Sports, where I can reach out to them and get some quick information before I drive 30, 40, 45 minutes to Charlotte to specific locations to find out if they got a specific sneaker or not. Now, that's why this is a size 13, and I already got the shoe out the box, but man, let's read what the box says anyway. We have the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE. The colorway is Flint Grey and Stealth White. And this is a size 13 right here on this box, man. And I ain't gonna really review the box because, you know, it's 14 box. It's always beat up when I get a 14 box. You got that Jumpman logo right in the middle, man. Nothing too crazy, just all gray. Some plain tissue paper on the inside. But man, we got the Flint Grey, man, AJ14. I wanna say this is the first time I've seen the AJ14 in this colorway. We know that this is a sneaker that Jordan actually, or a Tinker Hatfield, modeled around a car. They tried to take a car and turn a shoe into a car. It's basically what the story is behind this shoe. We're gonna break down the details, man, because this video is gonna be real quick, man. It's not too much to talk about on the shoe. You got a lot of suede going on. You got a bunch of gray going on. You got some darker gray right here on the toe cap, lighter gray on the side. And then, you know, you got this white kind of breaking it up here. The cool thing about the AJ14, I like these little metal pieces on the shoestrings, but this overall is a dope shoe. This is a size 13. Y'all know I wear a size 12, so this was a little big, but shout out to everybody that wear 13, you know what I'm saying? Overall, this shoe, I would say it's pretty clean. It's a pretty clean shoe, and it's not nothing too crazy. I know the last 14 I brought to this channel, I believe, was the Air Jordan 14 Love Letter, which was a very unique shoe. It had a warning tag on it from Nike, and so this shoe is a little bit different. It's more of a neutral colorway, something that you can wear with a lot of different things, and I believe it's a 14 that people don't really like that. I don't know why. I scratch that. I know why people don't like it, because it's a 14 and people don't rock with 14s. But I do think it's a 14 you really should put some respect on, because everybody likes the cool gray. We like the cool gray 9s, we like the cool gray 11s. And even though this is considered Flint Grey, I still think it should go in that category with the cool grays. And y'all gonna have to put a little bit of respect on this shoe, because it is pretty dope. Man, like I told y'all, man, it's gonna be a real quick video, man. So let's go ahead and pull out the second shoe real quick, so we can do a side-by-side comparison on what I like to call the quality control segment of this video, where we just compare the shoes side by side and look for any quality control issues, defects, etc., etc. Because I feel like if I buy a shoe and I bring it to this channel and I see something, I want to give you guys a heads up. Maybe you didn't purchase the sneaker yet. Maybe you have the sneaker and maybe you're seeing some of the same things that I'm seeing. Let's talk about it so that we can prevent other people from going down the same path and at least taking a good look at their shoes before they walk out the store. When I look at this shoe, man, I'm not really seeing much. The suede is looking pretty good on here. No scuffs, no scratches or anything of that nature. This white part to me could be like a concern, because if you get like a scuff or a scratch or, get that, a little chip on that joint, man, I'm pretty sure you can bring it back with some miracle. I don't know. People out here really have all of the little secret tips and tricks that you can do to bring shoes back. And I see a lot of stuff on TikTok. Shout out to my dog, man, Run the Play over at La Kicks, man. He does a lot of cleaning videos and restoration videos on TikTok. And so I'm pretty sure I could reach out to him and he could tell me what to do if you get a chip or a scratch or something on this 14 on this white part and how to bring that back. But speaking of bringing a sneaker back, we just got our very first, I ain't gonna say it's a sponsor. Is it a sponsor? It's really considered an affiliate link. So shout out to Reshoevnator for reaching out to me on TikTok. I just received my pack in the mail, so I can't wait to do the unboxing video and start to promote Reshoevnator, man, with my discount code and all of that jazz, man. So shout out to the Mud Talk family, man, for y'all showing love over there on TikTok, because they reached out to me via DM, and I'm excited about it, honestly, because we talk about sneakers, we talk about fashion, and we talk about taking care of ourselves. And if you want to keep your shoes looking good, you got to learn how to take care of your shoes, man. So shout out to Reshoevnator. But before I run on, this sneaker is in good condition. Thank you for Nike. Y'all did a good, thank you for Nike. Thank you to Nike for doing a great job on the quality control on this shoe. For a retail price point of $210, a lot of people, again, I reiterate this a lot and I continue to repeat this. People don't rock with 14s. When I say people, I include myself, because I like a good 14. I purchased a good amount of them over the years, and it is a shoe that takes me back to high school, a shoe that we definitely used to wear in high school, a shoe that was definitely popular in high school. So, me being 39, almost 40, well, I'll be 39 this year, 40 next year, but either way, almost 40, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm knocking on the door. And, I had that special connection with just about every Jordan, because when I was in school, we got every pair. We wore every one except for the ones. The ones were not popular when I was in school, and I was born in '85. So if you're older than me, let me know if the ones were popular when you were in school. But when I was in school, in my heyday, in my prime, I'm in my prime now. But when I was in high school, the 14s were popular. This shoe would be going crazy if I was in high school. This colorway, oh, for sure would be going crazy. But today, because people don't really rock with it, and a $210 price point, I do think is a bit steep for this shoe. So if I was you, I would get on the secondary market and take a look at that price. I'm pretty sure you can get them for under retail. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on the screen what the retail price is, and then I'm also gonna put what the aftermarket price is. That way it gives you guys an idea if you're looking into getting this shoe. But when it comes to styling and rating, I think that you're gonna have to wear some jeans with this. You're gonna have to wear some jeans, wide leg jeans. You're gonna have to really put the fit together. You're gonna have to make it pop. It's a 14, it's a flamboyant shoe. It was designed to look like a very fast car. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna have to make this shoe stand out. And I think you can do it, but you're gonna have to put in the work. You can't go basic with it. But my rating for this shoe, man. My wife tried to say it was a 5 out of 10. I'm not gonna say 5. I'm gonna give it some respect. I'm gonna go 6 out of 10, man, for the Air Jordan 14 Flint Grey. Let me know if you think that's too high in the comment section. Let me know if you think it's too low in the comment section and why. But as always, man, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.